Hello Devops engineers, welcome to Devops Wonder, Devops for all. This is tutorial series. We are going to see about a new series, Essential Git Commands. In the Essential Git Commands series, we are going to see first about the git init. Git init. So git init is the command. So this is the first command. It is used to create a new Git repository from the current directory. So it initializes the current directory as a Git repository. The file setup and tracking changes are started from this step only. Administration. So there is a normal project in the left side. So you have project folders, project files, and config files. So when we have given git init, what happens? So project folders and project files and config files will remain same, but there is a extra folder, so which will be stored for the tracking. So file tracking process, version tracking process will be started from this step. So it becomes a repository and will be posted to remote by adding the git commit and git add and git push commands. A basic talk. So when we are executing a git command, what happens? So it creates a .git directory, so which will holds all the git metadata information in the repository. So the metadata includes subdirectories of objects, references, and template files. So a head file is also created, which will be used to do the currently checkout commit. So .git subdirectory is for storing the system configuration files, which starts with dot in the home directory. So this will manage all the version information. It will manage all the tracking informations by using this .git. So instead of the hard hurdles in the SVN, so Git is providing git init command for easily converting the folder to repository. Comparatively, SVN is hard in this step. Init versus git clone. So git clone is for creating a repository copy of the previous repositories, which means already a repository is available there. So you are going to take a plot from there and you are going to use that particular repository in your current directory, so in your current project like that. But git init will create a new repository from the current directory. Bear repository. So git init -bear directory. So it will omit the working directory and initializes a empty git repository. So instead of having any files there, we can have an empty directory and make that as a git repository. So we can share our repositories created with a bear flag. So shared repositories are created with -bear flag. So the bear version of my project will be stored as a my project.git. Git init template. So git init directory hyphen template is equal to template directory. So what happens here is a new git repository is initialized and files are copied from template directory into the repository. So into the current directory or the repository. So default git templates will usually reside in a user share git core templates directory, but maybe from different path on machines. Configuration. So git init directory template equal to template directory is taking the git init takes the directory as argument. The command will run inside this directory. So if no directory is exist, what will happen? So it will create a new one with the name we have given. The other configurations are -hyphen quite, so only for printing critical level messages, errors and warnings, and -bear is for creating a bear repository. -template is for from the specific directory to this template will be used. -separate -git -directory. So it creates a text file with a path with the dot. So this file create a link to .git directory, and this .git file is useful for storing project working file informations. Examples for create a git init repository for an existing code base is cd path to code, git init slash and git add dot and git commit. For creating a new bear repository, so git init -bear slash path slash to slash repo.git. Git init template creation. So initialize the git repo from template. So make directory -b path to template and echo hello world. So absolute path to template slash readme file. So git init new repo path -hyphen template. So template path. So cd new repo path. After that we can cat readme and we can start editing and can commit and push those files. Please like, share, comment and subscribe Devops Wonder, Devops for all. Thank you for watching. Thanks.